Today is the 10-day mark before Drift Week 8, and that means we have about 20 working hours, and we've run into our first problem. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my exhaust. I need to make it a little bit louder so I can actually hear my car. So let's see what it sounds like right now, and we'll compare to what it sounds like without the mufflers on. Much better. So no one really loves the sound of these cars, but honestly, when you keep that X pipe underneath there, you keep the cats, and then you straight pipe it, it doesn't sound too bad. Obviously now it sounds kind of shitty because there are no pipes, it just is open. So I'm gonna take these pipes to a bench shop and have them cut the mufflers off and the resonator and replace it with just the same diameter pipe all the way to the end. I don't really want to put too much money into it right now. So that's the plan. So of course you can't do a minor change to a car and not do some slight testing, so let's do that. Next day I got some new tires delivered. These are called accelerators. I haven't heard the best things about them, but they're super cheap, so I might as well try it. The main thing you have to do with 370s is replace the differential. The problem is that these cars come with a VLSD, which is what some would call a terrible design choice. There's no point in a VLSD because you have no predictability as to which wheels are going to lock up when. What you need to replace it with to be a reliable drift car is either an LSD, which is clutch based, or lock up the VLSD. Two ways of doing that: you can either weld it or put shims in it, and we're going to put shims in it. So my rattle gun was not strong enough to take out any of the bolts, so I'm gonna have to pay the extra labor cost and hopefully get an appointment soon. We don't have too many more days since it's now the weekend. Really hoping that we can get this sorted. So might as well accomplish something since I couldn't pull the diff out. So gonna lower the car. Now that there's no mufflers on it, we can drop it about an inch. So while I was under the rear end, I found some really bad news. So I already ordered an adjustable tow arm to replace the big bucket bracket that the spring sat in. But now that I took another look, it seems like we have a very bent camber arm. It's on the driver's side. I'm really not sure how that happened. I don't remember smacking into anything. That is an issue, and I hope that I can get a set of adjustable camber arms before the start of Drift Week. So this really sucks, and I really hope that we can get the parts in time. We all love the comment section. So, so this one was one of my recent shorts that I posted, basically showing how loose the diff was. Child's Play OG commented, "A frogoo butthole." See you next time.